What's going on, guys? My name is Lextasy and welcome back to the channel. And today I have like 40 to 50 cars behind me in an undisclosed location. As you can tell, pretty much all the lights are off for a good reason, because we're really trying to keep this on down low. There's probably another 40 or 50 cars coming. It is going to be a bunch of digs, a bunch of roll racing, so this is going to be fun. I've never been to this event yet, so let's enjoy it, guys. I may run. As you can tell, the GTR is back from the shop. RS7 is here too, so we're going to have a lot of fun, guys. And if you guys love what you see, of course, make sure you drop a like, make sure you drop a subscription, and let's have some fun.
There's lights. No, it's not lights.
Yep, there it goes. Oh god, he got this guy. Record left. I knew he did. Oh dang! I knew that radar was going off. That's another cop. Yep.
There
Two cops. Yep, they're all here. They know. He hit us once. And then I slowed down, took the right lane. He hit me twice, but the guy behind me just decided to floor it, and when he did, they were right there, yep. On the radar, yep. Oh, see, the trooper's still sitting, though. The second one doesn't have his lights on.
In front of you for 20 seconds. Time.
No, he wasn't.
Hey,
you can see
that.
Are you fucking me? He stole the hit on the other video. He put two fucking cars on him because he stole the hit from him. I'll gladly admit that. Chases the race. He took the fucking hit.
Late.
Yeah, you wouldn't have had the whole race.
He left late. Chases the race, right?
That GoPro video don't mean nothing. Look at him.
So the video's hold on, no. So that ZR1 runs a quarter of a mile.
You can't hear when these cars are hitting or nothing.
Alright, guys, this just became a crazy night already, and we're only done 2 laps, I guess. There's been about 10-15 races, I would say, but we did the vet race. This was a $5,000 race between the twin turbo Mustang and the ZR1 Corvette. As you can tell, they're actually arguing about it right now. They're saying one said that it's supposed to have been a quarter-mile run to a signpost. The other one said it was a count off, and then, I mean, when your butt slings, you know, ahead of the other person, it's game over. And that's what happened this one. Actually, I'm glad I got the GoPro footage, because that's what helped them decide who's going to take the money home, because that's a lot of money on the table. And while we're doing that, of course, we got the cops that literally pulled up behind us. Radar went off. I was in the back of the pack, and I knew it was one of those cop signals, so I get in the right lane. They hit me again because I'm still speeding, but then there was a red G8, I think Pontiac G8 or whatever, that flew by me, and they went after him. Turns out he only got a warning, so that's a lucky thing from a state trooper especially, and they got him at 90 on the 70, so it's been a crazy night. So they're about to do more races, and of course there's going to be some digs as well. There's 3 cops just sitting there across the street, so clearly they know what's going on. It's probably one of those where they'll tell us to leave.
Got him.
Yep, it's game over. Dang, they're just straight sitting there waiting. Well, this has been one long night, but it's finally coming to an end. It's like 3 in the morning. The GTR has performed so well. It's so consistent. I love it. Every time you mash the gas pedal, you know exactly what to expect. But I think me and my wife are super exhausted. It's so late at night, but it was so worth it. We'll definitely be back for more. It's summer. I mean, it's only going to get better and better. And if you love what you're seeing, make sure you subscribe and drop a like. And it'll just tell me that you guys want to see more stuff like this. I have so much more in store for us. I can't wait to bring it to you guys. But I really enjoy filming this stuff. It's part of my life. It's what I love doing. So I just love sharing it with you guys. I'm glad that all the trips, everything went down well. Actually, the guy that got pulled over, he only got I think a warning, which is insane. If it was me, they probably would have gave me a ticket. But anyways, guys, enjoy your cars, enjoy your lives, enjoy your families, and I will see you next time.